Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check battery health on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, understanding battery health helps you prolong the lifespan of your device battery. By monitoring its health and taking appropriate measures, such as adjusting charging habits, you can extend its lifespan and avoid premature degradation. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, you need to install the AQ Battery app. And since I have already installed it on my device, I will open the app. Okay, the main interface looks like this, and you can swipe to the right side. Then on this menu, you will be shown the information about your battery. After that, click on Finish. Then, there will be several features available, and the way to check the battery health, you can select the Health menu here. However, here the battery health report will not be displayed until you fully charge your battery beforehand and use it for a while, such as playing games or opening social media apps and so on. So after that you could see the battery health report here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check battery health on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.